friends! Today I'll be reading to you a really cute and fun story, and it is this one right here. Here is the title of our book, and the title of the story is Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Before we begin reading the book, let's go over the parts of the book. This part is a front cover, and then if I turn it around, this is the back cover. If I flip it sideways, I can see this is the spine. And then also right here on the spine, I see my title again. And then here again is the title. There's also two people that helped to create this book. One person is the author and the other person is the illustrator. So the author is Eric. That means Eric wrote the words. And then the illustrator is James. That means James was in charge of making the pictures. And then before we begin reading, there's also this part of the book right here. Here I have my title again, but this time it is on a page. So this part of the book is called the title page. Let's begin our story. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes, I love my red shoes, I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes, I love my blue shoes, I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes, I love my brown shoes, I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown and all the blue and all the red washed away. What color were his shoes again? White! But now they're wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes, I love my wet shoes, I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. The end.